Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on BBIG, as BBIG came up about 14% today, and they ended the day with about 14 million volume. On average, they have about 2 million, so they have about 7 times as much volume as an average. We're going to see if this one can break out going into tomorrow. A lot of people have been asking about this one in particular, so I'm going to show you guys exactly which resistance we're going to break out going into tomorrow and exactly which indicators we want to be looking out for on a possible breakout. But again, I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section as always. I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, we do go all out every single day on entries and breakouts. So definitely look out for more of those. Now I'm going to go over BBIG with you guys again. I do think that BBIG definitely could definitely break out going into tomorrow because they have 7 times as much volume as an average. But I wanted to go over this with you guys on the 1 hour. You can see that we had a huge bull run. We have a lot of volume coming in. And it looks like the 20 MA still is holding above the 50. Somebody in the comments actually mentioned this one, and I was looking at it. I kind of was like, that's interesting. It actually looks like a nice run, a nice possibility. And sure enough, it did run today. And by the way, that was a nice call out by whoever was in the comments. But I'm going to show you guys on the 5 minute here so you can see exactly what we're looking at. So on the 5 minute, you can see that we are building stairs. It looks pretty healthy. We are bouncing off the 20 MA here. We are trying to break over this 344 mark. And I'm going to go back to the 1 hour so you can see exactly why that resistance is very important. You can see we did have a huge sell off at this point. And that is why we got rejected with these wicks coming to the upside with rejection to the upside. So we are going to be trying to recover, try to break new highs from today above 344. In my opinion, breaking over 350 would be great. We want to make sure it does hold up over 350 during pre-market. And we want to break over this 394 mark that we did also reject it. And then we have another resistance after that at 475. So again, we are going to be trying to get more volume going into tomorrow. I do like the volume that did come in today. And we could definitely see a huge run up going to tomorrow. We saw the same type of setup with UONE that did run up about 60% today. So we could possibly see that happen. But again, we want to make sure we are careful because this one has been coming up quite a bit. And we want to make sure this one is a very solid play going into tomorrow, because if not, then this thing could definitely sell off pretty quickly. And of course, we don't want to be in the middle of that. But again, BBIG, tons of volume. It definitely has a nice setup and definitely can run. But however, like I said, if I was already in the stock, based on how much it has moved, I probably would take some profits at this point. But and again, we do have a resistance that is coming up with a lot of volume that definitely could make a huge move up. So we are going to have BBIG on watch going into tomorrow as a possible day trade. But again, we want to make sure we do get confirmation. We have a lot of volume that did come in, but we didn't get as much volume as previously when we did hit 475, as you can see right here. We had a lot of volume that did come in, but however, we didn't have as much volume as we do now. We want to make sure we do get at least this much volume to break over 475, in my opinion. And we did get a lot of volume at this point, and we have less volume, even though we were at a lower price. So that is something we're going to be watching out for on a possible rejection going into tomorrow. But again, I like these prices. I like how it has came up all the way up to our previous sell-off point, and we have consolidated for quite a bit. And that consolidation definitely can result into a nice move up. So again, BBIG on the watch. I hope you guys have been enjoying your entries and breakouts throughout the week. And if you guys do have watch list tickers questions, throw in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.